Hey guys, this is technology in teaching and learning in the elementary grades. And in this unit 1, we will be discussing about the benefits of technology integration. Our learning objectives describe the advantages of technology integration to elementary students, identify the consequences of implementing technology integration, and realize the importance of technology integration. So, technology integration, as the world changes, so do the methods we use to educate students. It's no secret that technological developments have been coming at a rapid pace in the past few decades. And because of that, educational technology is changing. So when we say technology integration in the elementary grades, it involves incorporating various forms of technology such as computers, tablets, and educational software into the classroom to enhance the learning experience. It aims to facilitate interactive and engaging lessons, improve students' engagement, and develop digital literacy skills from early age. So, effective technology integration should align with educational goals and support teachers in delivering more dynamic and effective instruction. Now, we will be discussing about the benefits of technology integration in the elementary classroom. The first benefits of technology integration is provides a more engaged learning environment. So why? Technology integration enhances engagement in the learning environment by offering interactive and multimedia resources that cater to diverse learning styles and preferences. It also provides immediate feedback, personalized learning experiences, and opportunities for collaboration among students. Additionally, technology often makes abstract or complex concepts more accessible and relatable, further stimulating students' interest and curiosity. The second one prepares students for the future. Technology integration prepares students for the future by equipping them with essential digital literacy skills that are increasingly demanded in the modern workforce. And it also facilitates lifelong learning and adaptability, vital qualities in ever-evolving technology landscape. And it also problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity, which are crucial for success in the rapidly changing world they will be entering. Number three, boost collaboration. Technology integration boosts collaboration by enabling students to work together regardless of physical location, fostering teamwork and communication skills that are essential in today's interconnected world. Digital tools and platforms facilitate real-time sharing of ideas, documents, and projects, making group work more efficient and interactive. Moreover, technology offers opportunities for collaboration learning beyond the classroom, connecting students to a global network of peers and experts, thereby broadening their perspectives and enhancing collaborative capabilities. The fourth one incorporates different learning styles. Technology integration caters to different learning styles by providing a variety of multimedia resources, allowing students to engage with content through visual, auditory, and kinesthetic approaches. Interactive software and application often adapt to individual students' pace and level, accommodating diverse learning needs. Additionally, technology can offer personalized learning pathways, allowing students to explore topics in ways that align with their preferred learning style, ultimately enhancing their comprehension and retention of the material. Fifth one is promote tech skills. Technology integration in elementary education promotes tech skills by providing students with hands-on experience using digital tools and devices. It engages them with interactive and multimedia learning, making lessons more engaging and memorable. Additionally, it prepares students for the tech-driven future by imparting essential digital literacy skills early in their education. The impact of technology on education has been positive overall. Technology makes the life of students and teachers easier. However, It is important to note that technology is a tool used in education, not an end itself. The potential of educational technology depends on how educators harness it and use it to best support the needs of their students. Overall, technology integration in elementary education, school teaching enhances engagement, making lessons more interactive and enjoyable for students. It also provides personalized learning opportunities, catering to diverse learning styles and abilities. Additionally, it equips students with essential digital skills, preparing them for the technology driven future.